Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha. So today I'm going to show you how I blend in with normal people. Outside. Not inside. Outside.
Okay.
So most of you know, I think the whole world knows by now, I am K-pop trash. Now, you can easily tell that I'm into K-pop because I'm always wearing something K-pop related. But for example, my little sister, she's also into K-pop. She's more of an ARMY. And I had this conversation with her that because at her school, you know how teenagers are so like judgmental these days.
Can't relate.
So she explained to me that she avoids to letting people know she's into K-pop. So I thought I would make a video for you guys how I blend in with the normal people. So first things first, I'm going to put on some contacts because my eyes are very small and I can't see without my glasses. But to blend in with normal people, we want our eyes to look alive, healthy. So I'm going to put in some contacts first.
Seven hours later.
Now that we can see and our eyes are more alive, I'm going to prep my skin with this Naked Face Trezo Toner. I started using this because I saw Edward Avila and we can trust his reviews. I have very dry skin because I don't drink enough water every day, or I stick to my skincare every day. So now I'll be using this day cream for that extra moisture. Now when we want to go outside and blend with other people, you want to look as healthy or alive as possible. Not like this. Also, I'm hearing this a lot from my sister and my other friends that my skin is quite clear. Maybe because of my eternal love and support from Monster X. That's that. Now I'm going to prime. I'll be using this random Smashbox primer. It's Smashbox. Oh my god, this girl. So I'll be doing my concealer now. You see this under eye bags? You see the discoloration, the tiredness. This is because I watched all night on YouTube K-pop vines and crackhead compilations.
Tell me who the swaggest of them all. Tell me. Tell me who's the swaggest. Who's the swaggest guy in the world?
Swag?
Yeah, that's you, baby.
Me?
Yes, you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But we don't want the outside world to notice that, so we're gonna cover it up. These dark circles are because I'm worrying every night if I'll ever get the chance to meet my faves.
Why are you crying?
aka Monster X. Now I did actually met 2 members of Monster X last year I have a separate video about that and I will link it down below. But yeah, I met Juhan. Yes, my bias. So I met Juhan and Changkyun. Changkyun. And I am on the streets the day before their concert in Amsterdam. So maybe it's because of that that I have clear skin. Now that our dark circles are hidden from the outside world, it's time for foundation. Now, foundation makes your skin tone more even and hides some discoloration. But I like to use foundation Next step is setting the face with powder because we want our foundation and concealer and all of it to be locked in place. Because we know we get that random cry moments during the day when you get that notification that your faves are live on VLive but you have to work and I forgot to put on chapstick. Now, to make it look that we obviously go outside instead of sitting behind our computer or phone screens all day, we're going to bronze up the face with some bronzer. And this actually makes it look like you're going outside, or at least spend some time in the sun. So moving on to the eyes. Obviously I have my contacts in, so my eyes do seem bigger and more alive. But you know, obviously this look isn't complete with the eyes in my opinion. So I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to do something similar what my favorite idols are wearing, I guess. And these days, anything you slap on your face, it's art. So let's make art. Now, to get more attention to my eyes, and instead of this, I'm going to use a dark brown eyeshadow and use it as a liner. Because we all know everyone is wearing a heavy black eyeliner these days and you don't want to be too mainstream. Of course, we can't forget mascara because having no mascara on when you're wearing eyeshadow is like eating fries without sauce. And that's just the eyes. I mean, can you actually tell I watch Monster X Files all night long?
Yes.
So we're almost done. I'm just going to use a highlighter. I want to shine so bright that when I go to a concert, a K-pop concert, I want them to notice me in the crowd. I want to be a beam of light. You know, the stage lights, I want that to reflect my highlighter right into their eyes so they know, wow.
Wow.
Yes, yes, yes. If you're wondering, I'm using this Jouer highlighter in Topaz. Oh, I mean, we're using this highlighter to let people know we are hydrated. We are not thirsty for our favorite idols. We are hydrated like normal people. For my nose highlight, I'm actually using something a bit subtle. So I'm just using this kpop highlighter and I'll place it on my nose. Now to set everything and melt everything together, I'm going to use a setting spray. And now for the last step. Finally, I know this is a long video about how to blend in with normal people and not showing any signs that you're K-pop trash. I'm just going to use a lip gloss. And this is my completed look.
2 hours later.
Do I look like someone who's still K-pop trash? When you go outside like this. So I'll give you some more tips how to blend in more with only not the looks. When you meet new people and they ask you questions, for example, oh, what kind of music do you like? Don't start screaming that you're into K-pop. Maybe say a name everybody knows, a very mainstream artist like Ariana Grande. But you know, this everything is optional. I mean, this still screams, in my opinion, K-pop trash because I know myself and I am trash. I am trash forever. Also, like, don't forget to drink water. I mean, we still want our skin to be clear. Drink more water. And now you're ready to go outside in the real world. Can't wait. I can't wait to take this off and just sit behind my computer and do my K-pop trash things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a like if you like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.